Hey guys, it's Armando from AkoniCustoms. So, as you can see here, you have pivot hinges on this tailgate, and the right side one, I went to go pull the tailgate down and it was completely rusted out, so it just kind of fell off. But what I did was I took a little piece of 1/8 inch tubing and I cut that like 7/8 inch in, and basically I just welded it to the frame or to the body. So now that slides into the pivot hinge, and I got new cables too. But before, didn't do anything, and now works good.